Beautiful cherubs. Miss Whitman here. Got my Christmas tree going on behind me. Just wanted to introduce to you a new term that we're going to be using sometimes in class and writing workshop. And what it's called writing in the air. And when I hear the term writing in the air, I imagine taking my finger and just starting to write things in the sky in front of me. And while you might do that as part of this process, that's not really what I'm talking about when I tell you to write in the air. So what I mean when I say that is I mean that I want you to basically speak out loud what you would want to write if you had time to write it. So sometimes when we're working through a unit or we're practicing a writing skill, we might not have time to always sit down and actually write something. So I might ask you to instead write it in the air. So I might say, for example, I want you to come up with a claim about Winnie the Pooh, and I want you to turn to your partner and write that claim in the air right now. So what that means is instead of writing it down on actual paper, you would turn to your partner and you would actually speak out loud exactly what you would write if you were going to write it. So, for example, I might write in the air and turn to Georgie and say, Winnie the Pooh is an admirable character because he is always kind to his friends. He makes healthy eating choices and he is sweet. Now, that's not necessarily a great claim, but I at least am writing it in the air so that I can figure out to myself, would that make sense if I wrote it down? If I were to actually put this into an essay, would it sound right? Would it sound good? So we're going to be doing a lot of writing in the air in the weeks to come. And so I want you to be very familiar with what that term means. So that's your introduction to it, and I will look forward to doing it with you next time I see you.